Dr. Shoflick has been my dentist since I was a little girl. I used to come with my aunt. Pretty much most of my family comes. As an adult now, I chose to keep going to Dr. Shoflick, and now Dr. McCabe has joined the practice because I just think that they do excellent work. You walk in the door, you're greeted by Marrisa, you know, the people that work here, they all know you pretty well, they get to know you. It's not just, you're not just a number, it's more so you feel like you're a part of the family because this practice has been around for a long time. Going into the veneer preparation, I was kind of nervous about it because I didn't know what to expect. Because I know when you're prepping a tooth, you're taking away a lot of the structure, so when there's not that much structure to begin with, I was pretty nervous. The reason for me wanting to get them to begin with is because of the peg lateral situation. I think they consider it like a dental anomaly or something like that, where not everybody is born with it, but it's like kind of like a skinny peg instead of like, you know, a regular wide tooth height. The height is normal and everything, but with the pegs it's not. It's very skinny. So on the morning of my appointment for the veneer prep, I was super excited. I couldn't wait. I was a little bit nervous, like I said, because I've really had no other dental work in my mouth. I've had braces, but that's about it. But Dr. McCabe is so good. I felt very comfortable. He's high energy. He explains everything to you. Any questions you have, he doesn't have any issue taking the time to explain it to his patients, and that's what I like most about him. Patients come first. It's good to feel like sometimes like when you feel like a peer with your dentist, you feel more comfortable to ask them certain things. When I saw my veneers for the first time in the mirror, I was so happy. I was so excited, because I've always had the bonding done on the teeth, and they looked all right, or I thought they looked good, but looking back, they didn't. And so now I'm so happy with my smile. I mean, I really can't stop smiling. On the day when he cemented them in, after I left, I was just taking so many pictures. I was smiling all day. I FaceTimed my mom. I said, look at this. You know, it was a great experience. I feel like I'll never have to have my teeth worked on again.